Good morning, children. Children, I have started chapter 4, one and many of English grammar, and I have explained you singular noun, plural noun, and all these examples where we need to add s, where we have to add es, where we have to add ies. ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने आपको समझाया है. कहाँ पे हमें y को रिमूव करना, ies लगाना है, कहाँ पे y के रहते हुए हमें s लगाना है, और कहाँ पे we need to change differently, write differently in the plural form. ओके, एंड वेयर वी हैव टू ऐड ves. ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सबको अच्छे से समझ में आ गई होगी. सो एंड वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस ए प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नाउन्स and circle the correct plural spelling of each noun, and I hope you all have completed these two in your notebook. So today we'll see C. Choose the correct noun from given in the brackets to complete each sentence. Okay, what we have to do, we have to choose the correct noun from the bracket to complete the each sentence. Number 1, Uma puts two. So here student, what will be the right noun? Two is a plural, so towels. Uma puts 2 towels in the bag. Number 2, these trees are full of cherry or cherries? Cherries, very good, because trees are full of. वहाँ एक चेरी की बात नहीं हो रही, बहुत सारी चेरी होगी तभी वो ट्री फुल है, तो cherries. The teacher distributed the books among 5 child or children? Children, because here 5 is a plural, so children. Some animals have webbed foot or feet. Some animals have webbed feet. Okay. There are many goats or goat grazing on the mountains. Here there is a many. That means goats. D. Rewrite the sentences by changing the underlined words into plural. We need to rewrite the sentence by changing the underlined words, like in number 1, the underlined word is man. So we need to change it into plural, and again we need to rewrite it. Okay. So what will be for number 1? The man packed 3 big lunch box. So we will write the. So plural of man, men. Good. Packed 3 big lunch boxes. Understood? Plural of boxes, boxes, and plural of man is men. Number 2, some women were jogging in the park. Some women were jogging in the park. I hope student आप सबको समझ में आ रही है जो भी मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. Okay. Number 3, the boy ran after beautiful butterfly. The boys. Here I haven't replaced y with is. Why children? Because मैंने आपको समझाया था ना, if y से पहले vowel होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे, s लगाना है. हमें y को नहीं हटा रहा. अगर consonant होता तो हम y को हटा के ies लगाते, लेकिन यहाँ y से पहले o है. o is a vowel, so we will just add s. The boys ran after the beautiful butterflies. Children, I told you that by removing y I have to add ies. आप देख सकते हो y से पहले l है. l क्या है मेरा, कॉन्सोनेंट, सो हम क्या लगाएंगे, ies. y को हटा दिया मैंने. ओके. नंबर 4, Ramesh bought a loaf of bread. Ramesh bought a, या f को हम रिमूव करके क्या लगाएंगे, ves. loaves, loaves of bread. आप सबने ये पहले ही मैंने आपको समझा दिया है. Put a tomato in the soup. Put a where there is O, the word ends with O, then put a tomatoes. O के बाद क्या लगाना है? ES. In the soup. So we have completed this exercise also. What you have to do? You have to do this in your notebook. Thank you.